Hey everybody, I'm just doing an update on the state of the belt and the drop leg and some of the other accessories I've been working on. If you like what I'm putting out, my content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so in one of my previous videos I added the Blade Tech quick release to my Blackhawk drop leg, and that works. Look at this. I can release it with one hand. Now this is the Temu version. I've done a comparison. It's okay. It's not as good. Definitely go with the real deal, but it goes up here. This one takes a lot more pressure to release. And so with the Blade Tech I can put cant in it if we want. Go cant it backwards if I want. I prefer it in the vertical orientation. This is a Safariland, or not Safariland, Blackhawk T2 series holster. You've seen me do this. So I took off all the Blackhawk quick release stuff and switched it with the Blade Tech. And I like the Blade Tech much better. And I had some extra accessories, belt attachments, stuff like that for the Blackhawk holster. So I attached the Temu Blade Tech clone to it. It's okay. I don't like it. I'm not going to use it for anything. I just wanted proof of concept. How does it work? Stuff like that. I'm going to try to test it to see. It's a little wiggly here. If I like it up here on the hip. I think I am going to get some more of these quick detach things. These are really nice, but I'm going to get the legit Blade Tech ones. So that's how it looks. Once again, switch it down to here. The quick change, I like that a lot. Still having fitment issues since this is a Shadow Systems DR920 and this is for a Glock 17. They're close-ish, but I want to get an actual Glock 17 and try it out and see if the fitment's better. Hope that helps.